In this question, you have to identify the wrong statement with reference to transport of oxygen. Option A, higher H plus concentration in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Now, this is a wrong statement because a higher H plus concentration, which indicate a lower pH, that is the acidic pH, does not favor the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Rather, it promotes the release of oxygen from hemoglobin, a phenomenon which is known as the Bohr effect. Hence, it is the correct option. Option B, lower partial pressure of carbon dioxide in alveoli favors the formation of oxyhemoglobin. Now, this is true. At a low partial pressure of carbon dioxide, that is in the alveoli, promotes the formation of oxyhemoglobin because reduced carbon dioxide levels leads to higher pH, which enhances the affinity of hemoglobin for oxygen. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option C, binding of oxygen with hemoglobin is mainly related to partial pressure of oxygen. Now, this is also true. The binding of hemoglobin is largely determined by the partial pressure of oxygen. So, at high partial pressure of oxygen, such as in the lungs, oxygen readily binds to hemoglobin. But at lower partial pressure of oxygen, such as in the tissues, oxygen is released. Hence, it is incorrect option. Option D, partial pressure of carbon monoxide can interfere with oxygen binding with hemoglobin. Now, this is also true. Carbon monoxide competes with the oxygen for binding to hemoglobin. So, even a small amount of carbon dioxide can interfere with the oxygen transport because carbon monoxide binds to hemoglobin with much higher affinity than oxygen. Hence, this is incorrect option.